You found it. The perfect job listing. Great salary, remote work, flexible hours, and they want someone exactly like you. But before you polish that resume and pour your heart into a cover letter, stop. Take a breath, because in today's job market, fake job postings have become terrifyingly sophisticated, and falling for one can cost you your time, your money, and even your identity. So today, we're breaking down the 7-point verification system you need to run through before you apply to anything. Let's go. Point 1. Verify the company actually exists. Go beyond the job posting. Search the company name independently. Look for a real website, a physical address, and a presence on LinkedIn. If the only place this company exists is on the job board where you found the listing, that's a red flag waving at hurricane speed. Point 2. Cross-reference the job posting. Real companies post jobs in multiple places, their own careers page, LinkedIn, Indeed, Glassdoor. If a posting only appears on one obscure platform and you can't find it anywhere on the official company website, proceed with extreme caution. Point 3. Research the recruiter or hiring manager. Search their name on LinkedIn. Does their profile look real? Do they have connections, a work history, and a photo that doesn't look like it was generated by AI? Run their profile picture through a reverse image search. Fake recruiters love stock photos of smiling professionals who don't actually exist. Point 4. Analyze the email domain. If a recruiter contacts you claiming to be from Google, but their email ends in @gmail.com instead of @google.com, you've found your answer. Legitimate companies use their own branded email domains. Always. No exceptions. Point 5. Watch for vague job descriptions. Real job postings are specific. They list responsibilities, qualifications, and team structures. Fake listings often sound exciting, but say almost nothing concrete. Earn $5,000 a week from home doing easy tasks is not a job description. That's a trap with good marketing. Point 6. Never pay to work. This one should be obvious, but it still catches people off guard. Legitimate employers will never ask you to pay for training materials, background checks, or equipment up front. The moment anyone asks you to send money or gift cards to secure your position, hang up, close the tab, report the listing. Full stop. Point 7. Trust the interview process. Real hiring processes take time. There are interviews, callbacks, and deliberation. If you applied Monday and received a job offer by Wednesday with 0 interviews, and they just need your bank details for direct deposit setup, that is not a dream job. That is a nightmare in disguise. Now, speaking of protecting yourself during your job search, let me tell you about something that's genuinely helped me stay sane through the whole process. I've been using a privacy screen protector for my laptop, and honestly, life-changing. I'm doing all this research in coffee shops and libraries, digging through sketchy listings, and the last thing I need is some random person next to me seeing my personal information over my shoulder. This privacy screen protector, link in the description, makes your screen only visible to you. To everyone else, it looks completely dark. It's perfect for job hunting in public, managing sensitive applications, or just being that mysterious person at the cafe that everyone wonders about. Seriously, if you're going through an active job search, this is one of those purchases you didn't know you needed until you absolutely couldn't live without it. Back to protecting yourself. Run every listing through these 7 points before you commit a single minute of effort. Screenshot the listing early. They disappear fast when reported. And if something feels off, it probably is. Your gut is part of the verification system too. The job market is competitive enough without wasting energy on opportunities that were never real. Do the work up front, protect your information, verify everything, and save your best efforts for roles that are genuinely worth your time. Now go find something real. You've got this. This material is for educational and strategic purposes only. It does not constitute financial or medical advice. Consult qualified professionals before altering your structural routines or financial planning.